Your SteelSeries Rival 3 suddenly starts lagging, disconnecting, or acting strangely with button settings and RGB controls. Sometimes the cursor freezes randomly, while other times custom profiles stop responding correctly after software updates or connection changes. These kinds of issues are often caused by corrupted onboard settings, wireless syncing problems, or temporary firmware glitches instead of actual hardware failure. A factory reset usually clears saved configurations and restores the mouse back to its default working state. Before replacing the mouse or uninstalling every driver on your PC, these are the steps you can try to fix this and properly factory reset the SteelSeries Rival 3. 1. Disconnect the SteelSeries Rival 3 mouse from the computer completely. 2. Turn the wireless version off if your model includes a power switch. 3. Hold down the left click, right click, and CPI button together. 4. While holding the buttons, reconnect the mouse to the PC. 5. Continue holding for several seconds until the mouse lights react or flash. 6. Release the buttons and allow the device to initialize fully. 7. Open SteelSeries software again and reconfigure settings if needed.